I don't know what the globe means. I got onto somebody's stream. Do you know the YouTuber Blurry?
No.
Well, I was playing in his customs and I got on his. I sent you. I guess you didn't get the text, but I sent you and Ethan a text saying that I was on stream and I was so excited. And
I saw
for
that,
him,
I saw that.
for him,
I don't know what you meant by it, though.
yeah, I sent you a link. I was on Blurry's stream. It was awesome because I was on a stream that was not mine and it made me so happy.
Nice triple thing.
Yeah, they were all bots. It was
That just made your confidence level just boost.
yeah, but they were all defaults.
Jack, I'm gonna use things.
Yeah, I think I need some minis after that roast.
Yeah, you need to wash yourself down.
Yeah, I don't think I can financially recover from that.
I'm doing it.
Do it, Brody. I'll move it. Do it, Brody. That did like nothing to me. I guess we should go help them.
I think 142 and 27 white.
Kevin.
Jackie Kevin. I wish my balloon was open. Get this car and I'm getting a really hot shot.
Oh my goodness, I cannot throw boogie bombs. Cracked him. He's low, he's whited, he's very whited.
Got one, but the other guy is bombed.
He's a two-tap. I'm gonna check him down. I did 69 damage, nice. Favorite number in the world. The other one. Yeah, you go get that. I'm gonna go.
Take it and eat it and chew it and like it.
I like.
Jet, eat it, chew it, and like it.
Here's our revolver. You like revolver? I'll be on but he's a bot, dude. He's a bot, dude. Do we have a squad of bots? Let's go reboot our teammate. Hang on, I'm gonna go reboot our teammate.
Come here.
Why?
Break our teammate. But, honestly, I don't know. That's all I want you to know.
So you wanted me to know that you don't even know?
I want you to know that I don't even know that you don't even know that I don't even know that you don't even know that I don't even put my foothold.
You don't? That's offensive. All because of...
Jeff, imagine I just get sniped.
I'll be puking.
No, it would not. I'd be Oh, God. I was just standing on top of the guy's spawn on the reboot, man, and he just launched him.
Do you need sniper ammo?
No, I just need shotgun.
I was gonna say I have plenty of sniper. Well, not plenty. I have 12, but I don't need it. So if you do, tell my if you ever do need sniper ammo, tell my foot, and my foot will foot.
Just shush, and it'll help us all.
I love this pickaxe. It goes with almost every black or white skin. Not skin color, like, because it just does. Because the colors black and white go good together. And
not getting in that truck.
I'm getting in this truck. And now that you...
Tires popped.
I don't care. I love the truck.
There's guys over there.
Daredevil and Deadpool. 2 Ds in a truck.
That sounded really weird, but okay. Oh, you better let me drive by that guy with my phone. Boy, you about to get...
Got him. I'm shaking him down. I better not get killed. I got hit like 3 times with those, baby gorger things. Okay, we need to get going.
I'm gonna try and destroy the gorger real quick. Come on, kill this sucker.
Oh my goodness, he do be kinda...
Got it.
Damn. Yay, I got a new punch card completed.
Nice. Oh, no, you did not just take that from me.
Oh yes, I did. But I have not got this all season. I deserve this.
I deserve a little bit of health.
I have not seen a single bit of health except for that.
Just take all the loot from the gorger I destroyed.
Okay, number 1. I have not gotten the rocket all season. Oh wait, that's Deadpool. No, you.
That's for you. I've only used the rocket launcher once.
I haven't used it at all.
Well, you should get destroying that those gorgers.
I don't even have rockets, so I'm not even going to be able to use it.
Take the freaking bandits.
I have my own med kit. Your foot in your foot hole with the bandies.
Freak you. I'm gonna shield. I'm mad I don't have shields right now.
Well, maybe once we get to zone, I can give you some.
And Jack, you know how in the back of the arrows on the mini-map, there's a little, like, notch at the back?
I don't even know.
Like, look at it. Like, look at the back of mine. The tip of mine is going in the back of yours.
Okay, well, get your head out of the gutter, you foot.
Do you mean get your head out your butt?
Your head out of my foot.
My head out your butthole.
Now here, shield your foot.
Fuck you.
Rockets, though, so I can actually use this rocket launcher.
I dropped my precious notes for these bandies. I can't heal anymore. I'm sorry, but I just can't. I'm sorry, but I just can't heal anymore.
Why?
Once it's behind me too. Holy frick, is this so moving fast?
I just need freaking rockets. Get in the truck.
Bye. Goodbye, have a great day. Sorry, goodbye.
Okay, once we get down, I rockets.
I'll let you do a drive by in a little bit.
I don't know, I think I'd rather get the zone. I'm not feeling too confident with our health.
You see that gingerbread right there? He's a bot. Turn around. Let me kill this man. Nope, I am not killing that man. He hit me.
Or getting the rift.
Oh, the rift almost closed.
Okay, I don't know where to drop. I guess just get deeper into zone. I guess. I've never seen...
Most likely a bad idea.
I've never seen one of the start things spawn there. Let's not go there though, because that's kind of risky. Here, look, campfire, campfire, campfire.
Yeah. Purple XP coins that there.
And purple XP coin again. I'm gonna go for the purple XP coin. I'll box it up so everybody...
Not yet, not yet, not yet. We're both getting.
Hang on, don't get it yet, don't get it yet. I'm gonna box it up nice and good.
No, after we get.
I'm trying not to. It's so hard to not.
Jack, look.
I've never seen somebody. We just need one more wall.
We're still gonna have a little bit of.
Grab the XP coin, grab the XP coin. All the little fragments. I'm stuck. I think I got all mine. Did you get all yours? Double checking the outside. Yep, I think I got all mine. Alright, let's go to the campfire now. It's funny how we prioritized XP over health. That foot's just bringing the big pot.
We're getting shot at from this.
One wooded wall is enough to protect us. Do you have any rockets? Because if I want... Thank God, I've been looking for rockets all game. Now I can actually use this rocket launcher. Have they made any changes to it? Like, is it nerfed or is it buffed?
Nope, same rocket launcher you used to.
It says damage 0, but okay. Well, the old rocket launcher said that too. Okay.
122 board.
I have not hit a single shot. I'm gonna box this up a little bit because I think yeah, there's enemies over there. We don't want to get third party. That would be kind of footy.
Oh, Jack, you know what I need?
What? You need sniper ammo? I only got 18. There you go. Do you need SMG ammo? I got like 200 SMG ammo.
I don't have anything. We should probably
grab those
try and
minis.
break those trees.
Grab those foot and minis.
Should probably try and break those trees.
Oh, I'm gonna take your AR. I'm just kidding. I already have a blue AR. But yours? Well, FAMAS are foot. That's what the F stands for in FAMAS. Foot FAMAS.
Stop shooting, stop shooting.
There's people behind us, I think. Not like exactly behind us, but like that direction. Also, we do be kind of having to get the zone, dude. He do be coming in clutch with them Chuckies, though.
Yep, there's people.
Let's not draw too much attention towards us, because we still need to get to zone.
We are so.
Alright, we need to start getting to zone.
Got one.
Nice.
I just boxed him.
I wish I was good with snipers. Okay, they're coming, they're coming. I kind of need to hold. He looks like a bot, but he's probably not. Nice, he got absolutely deletoed. Blue pump. I'm getting zone. I don't care about the loot. Because I really don't feel like taking storm damage.
Yeah, but don't.
Man,
There's gonna be a guy coming up, or...
I just can't believe how...
Oh, no, he didn't. 2 people down there.
I missed every single shot.
Oh, the man over there, poison.
Okay.
That one.
Do you want me to fire a rocket right whenever you shoot the wall?
Yeah, I'm gonna spray it.
Okay, spray. Start spraying.
Spray.
Oh man, that didn't... At least it broke the wall. Okay, he's still down, that's good. Try and finish him so that or thirst him so that they can't revive and...
Break that pyramid right there, and I might be able to break that wall if you can.
Okay, I'm not doing best on it. I'm not doing that good on ammo.
In what?
Assault rifle.
Boom. 87. No, you don't.
We thought about it. Oh wait, he needs assault rifle ammo too. Alright, I wish that we could communicate with him. Wait, let's go into game channel, see if he has a mic. Hello.
There's 40.
Okay.
Gosh darn, fishing! Let me snipe you in the head right now while I'll put you in trouble.
There's people up on the mountain up there. There's people up there. I don't think those people up on the mountain know about us. I don't know if they know that we are over here, but if they do, that's kind of scary. There's like 2 teams up there. I can see 2 Mystiques right there.
That was from the squad we kept sniping over on that.
I just knocked one. I knocked one with the head.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, they were whited and. Oh man, I thought I was. Alright, yeah.
Oh, that.
Let's just not let them res because the other one I don't know. Ooh, I hit something 22 white. I can't tell if it was a knocked player or not.
Most likely.
Got him. Oh my goodness, I just got absolutely aimbotted with one of the Stark rifles. Somebody was just hip firing it and like they hit all of their shots. That was terrifying.
It's just 3 on 1.
Let's do this. We might get the win. I haven't even got rocket launcher one. That's the sad thing. I'm gonna try and get this rocket launcher. You find them. Foot. Oh man, that's a lot of tasty loot.
Is anyone sus about this up here?
Yeah, be careful about it. Imagine it's like Booga hiding in there and he kills all of us. I'm just looking around for. Oh, I can't jump. I can't jump. Why can't I jump?
I found him. I found him.
Where is he?
Down here is the stick. Should I snipe him?
Okay.
Can I snipe him?
I got the kill. My first rocket launcher kill of the season. Finally.